You go to the restroom. Everything's fine, you finish your business, turn around to reach for the toilet paper, and horror strikes. The roll is empty. You sigh. Again, it's always you who ends up replacing the toilet paper. Every single time. Why do people keep walking away without changing it? Come on. It's not complicated. You do it most of the time. Lately, you've been slacking too. Because frankly, you're tired of being the toilet paper guy. We could call it the toilet paper syndrome, or the senseo syndrome, or the dishwasher syndrome. It's not really a syndrome too, it's a bias. And if you know its real name, come on, please, drop it in the comments. This bias becomes dangerous when it starts eroding trust in teams. You start thinking, why should I make the effort where no one else does? That's not laziness, it's self-protection. I say this often. Trust isn't something you declare, it's something you demonstrate through small, repeated actions. So we start monitoring who's doing what, who's helping, who's slacking. But here is the risk. Monitoring turns into KPIs. KPIs can lead to manipulation, and manipulation leads right back to mistrust. So which comes first, trust or proof of trust? It's the same old dilemma. The solution? Yeah, step back. Don't get stuck on one symptom, like the toilet roll. Maybe there are other silent frustrations in the team. Widen the view. Invite others to express what they might have silently endured too. Trust is built not by forcing change, but by showing others that we all carry something. And maybe it's time we all change the role. See you next time. And don't forget,
boost the system.
Clock punch, soul punch, gonna make my own lunch. This ain't my final destination. Just another step in my transformation. Time I jump, can't think.